Finally, there's a cloud service that's built for an enterprise kind of need. Can we please see about getting something like getting Box going here at Ohio State?
We had experience in my lab from collaborations with other institutions that had used alternative cloud-based technologies, but the level of functionality was not really on par with what we see in BuckeyeBox. So a great example is the version control, as well as the task management functionality, the ability to have sort of dialogues or comments that accompany the documents, all of which were features that we didn't really have in those other cloud-based solutions.
Something that the Environmental Sciences Network does is work with interdisciplinary groups across campus to help them put together grant proposals, and groups that are already funded help them work on their projects.
Making big ideas into funded realities.
How do you get people who have different homes in different local network environments and different systems, how do you get them to be able to share files securely but easily?
We had people here in Columbus, people from Worcester. We have some USDA collaborators down in Mississippi, over in Iowa. So, we were collaborating from all over, and people could say, look at the latest version in the box.
Another way researchers are using BuckeyeBox is to crowdsource research, if you will, where they're getting as data points images and data sets and coordinates from people all over the world.
Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, out in the West Pacific. They have to have their data coordinated and can cover an entire day because it's night somewhere along those longitudes. We've used these data successfully to date to discover nearly a dozen planets around other stars in our galaxy. It's a really exciting project, but one of the problems is how to share the data quickly and efficiently. With Box basically working in the background 24/7, we have the potential to really shorten that workflow and actually get to the point where if a fast-moving event that we have to respond to quickly, we can get enough eyes on it fast enough to maybe find more planets.
For a service like Box, I think it's better to leverage an existing cloud above campus kind of service than it is to build something from scratch for lots of reasons.
With these commercial solutions, I signed up for an account, I created a folder, I pushed the files onto the folder. Within a couple of hours, it just worked. The last time I tried setting up a remote system like that, it took us a month. And we still never got it to work the way we wanted to.
And I said, guys, we have this great tool, and I was so surprised that some of our most stalwart, send it to me in email and I'm gonna print it out type faculty members were uploading their latest version to the box.
Everybody has a case where they need to share files securely with colleagues, and they have cases where they need to share files publicly with the whole world. So it solves all of those problems, it meets those needs, and the feedback I've gotten has just been terrific.